This is room 634 at the Crowne Plaza, Los Angeles HarborHotel, which is a great pre-cruise hotel if you're leaving out of the Los Angeles cruise terminal. So here is my room, and it's a good one. It is a harbor view, and I don't remember upgrading it, but apparently it's not bad. So I've got a nice a little seating area here to start with, and then we come around here. We have a microwave, we have a Keurig, and various things to do with that Keurig. Before we do the bathroom, let's see what's in here. This is your, it's not a bad closet. There is an ironing board, really big safe, little thing to put your luggage on, and of course hangers. And then here, oops, now these two, they're right there together. So it's hard not to slam it. So to start with, we have a full-length mirror on the door along with a hook up there, and you've got really nice big, look at the size of that bathtub. It does not seem to have jets, but it's huge. And you've got full-sized, what do we have, conditioner and shampoo and probably shower gel of some kind, and a good grab bar so you don't hopefully fall in the shower, because nobody needs that. Toilet, little area for storage if you're so inclined. The towels are over here, and then the smaller ones are here, and it's a nice vanity with a single sink. You get this mirror, and then a couple of outlets over here, and some more toiletries, and that is the bathroom. So let's go on here into the other room. Here is the seating area again. You can see this is a really large room. Get a nice thermostat, it's digital, and here is the bedroom area. I mean, it's not technically two bedrooms because it does have that opening in the wall, so it's not actually two different rooms, but you know, they kind of make it a suite. So let's see what we have over here. You've got power on the lamp, and you've got power and USB up here on the wall. So lots of good power options. And a drawer, very big cubby, more power over here on the wall. Let's see what the other side is, probably the same thing, but let's just verify that. And turn the light on while we're at it. There we go. So you get the clock, you get the same setup, and the same thing on the wall. So that's good. You get lots of power. Now we have the desk area for all your sitting and computer needs, and again the same setup with the USB and the power. A lamp. Over here you have a good sized TV with the remote. You have two large cubbies. You have another cubby here with 3 drawers, and then you have the chiller, and this is what that looks like. Seems pretty good. And then you have, this is a harbor view. We cannot see the ship. We did see the Emerald Princess as we drove into the hotel. This is actually the day before Hurricane Hillary hits this area, and so you can see the rain and the misty and everything, and this over there is where the cruise ships leave. But yeah, it's that way, and it's really close. They also have a shuttle. The shuttle is, I think it said $5.50 a person, and you can sign up for what time. It starts at 9 a.m. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I've done it before. I've stayed at this hotel before in a different room, and this works very well as a pre-cruise hotel. Solo Sue signing off.